In today's video, I'm going to teach you use built-in Wix automations. If you want your Wix site to quietly handle routine tasks in the background, like sending form submissions to a spreadsheet or syncing new orders to your CRM, this is a simple, no-code way to do it. Keep in mind, Wix automations work as a one-way sync. Data flows out from your Wix site to the chosen destination, not the other way around. Start by heading to your Wix site's dashboard and opening automations. This is your control center for setting up rules that react to what your visitors do. Create a new automation and give it a clear descriptive title so you can recognize it later. Something like contact form to Google Sheets or new order to accounting. Next, choose your trigger. This is the event on your site that kicks everything off. You might use form submitted if you're collecting leads, or new order if you're running a store. Pick the event that matches the task you want to automate, so you're capturing the right moment. Then choose your action. This tells Wix where to send the data and what to do with it. You can push form entries to Google Sheets, add context to a tool like ActiveCampaign, or send order details to an accounting app such as Xero. Around this point, if you need quick access, I've placed a link to Wix automations and the relevant app pages right at the top of the description. Open those in a new tab so they're handy when you connect accounts. When prompted, connect your third-party accounts securely. You'll see a field mapping screen where you match the data from Wix to fields in the destination app. For example, map the visitor's name to a name field, email to email, and any custom questions to corresponding columns or fields. Take a moment to double-check the mapping so nothing lands in the wrong place. If a field doesn't exist yet in your destination app, create it there first and then refresh the mapping. Once everything looks good, click Activate. From now on, the automation will run automatically in the background whenever the trigger occurs. You can return to the automation section anytime to edit, pause, or rename it. And many destinations provide logs or activity views, so you can confirm data is arriving as expected. That's it. You've set up a reliable, one-way workflow that saves time and reduces manual copying and pasting. If this was helpful, be sure to check the links at the top of the description, and feel free to replay any section while you build your own. Thanks for watching.